हरि करना।
Okay, now it's time to look into the another example from the classical probability or Laplacian probability theory. So this time it's rolling a die, rolling a die. Okay, so when a single die is rolled, what's the probability of getting a number less than 7? It's pretty straightforward and easy. So what's the probability of getting a number less than 7? So my event is a compound event, and the event is nothing but the getting a number less than 7. That's what my event is. Event is getting a number less than 7. So since all outcomes, what are the outcomes for me when I roll a die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the outcomes for me when I roll a die, and 6. Total 6 outcomes, which are all less than 1. Then the probability is 6 divided by 6. So because my event is number less than 7, so how many outcomes will be there if it is less than 7? 6. And what's the sample size or all possible outcomes? Again 6. So 6 divided by 6, and it's equals to 1. It's certain. Certain. So the event of getting a number which is less than 7 is certain. If you roll a die, at any cost you will be getting that. Either 1 you will get, or 2 you will get, 3 or 4, 5, 6, at least 1 you will get, until unless that was broken into pieces or that was blasted. Okay, that's why this is called a certain. That's what I want to prove. That's one of the rule. That's a rule 3, probability rule 3. If any event is certain, then the probability is 1. That's what I'm proving here. The event of getting a number less than 7 is certain.